Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to do a mini haul wherein we are going to try on the clothes from Street Style Store. So what I'll do is we'll stick to SSS instead of saying the whole name because I will messed up. It's like a tongue twister. So it's better if I stick to SSS. Okay, so I will be sticking it to SSS. You all know the real name. I will mention it below and I will link the site also. So also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram username below in this video, so please don't forget to go and follow me there, so you can see me styling all this outfit there as well. Okay, so yeah, next is I want to tell. Okay, so let me explain you guys what it is all about. So on this app there are different categories. So for example, one category is like heels, boots. There are different types of boots. Like there are boots, heels, flats and shoes. Okay, there are four categories for shoes, so you can shop any of these. And there are different offers like 3 for 99 and 999 and all that thing, so you can check out, and they're definitely good. I'm going to try that as well, and if I try I will show you guys. Next is clothes, of course, and also they have bags. Okay, but I have not tried. If you guys have tried, then do let me know in the comment section. All right, yeah. So now in clothes there are different categories. Like there are 3 for 999 and 3 for 799, which is a really a good catch. There are really good clothes. Okay, so and I think there is 3 for 5 for 1199 something. Yeah. So this is going to be a mini haul because I just got one category which is 999, three tops for 999, and in another video, in another haul, I will do more of it. I will go for 799. And if you guys want to try anything and you are like scared, then you can tell me, which you can send me the link on my Instagram. You can send me the link so that I can get the top, try it for y'all, and then you all can go for it. Okay, so you can do that. But yeah, I wanted to try. That's the reason I just got three first, because if I would have got more and it would have not been like up to the mark, then there would be a problem. Because yeah, of course nobody wants to spend for like for a waste. So yeah, so I will show you what I got, and I just got three. That's why this is the mini haul. And next time I will try to go for more. And yeah, they have one more option, which is um, winter clothing. Yeah, winter clothing. So this is like a separate one. So in winter clothing you will get all this co-orders and jackets and joggers. So yeah, maybe that also will do very soon. So yeah, let's begin with this one. Let's begin with the packaging first. I like the packaging. I will give 4 out of 5 because it's not that great also, but it's okay. Yeah, it's like a normal Flipkart or Amazon packing, those types of packing. And yeah, I got all three in one packet, which is good because I didn't have to wait till another one comes, arrives and all that, sometimes it's like that. But I was happy because all three arrived together. Now first top is this one which I'm wearing, so I will show it to you. This is in the size small. Yeah, this is in the size small. I got this top in size small, so let me show you this properly. Okay, so this is the top. This is in the size small. It has an elastic below here and it has an elastic behind as well. You can see there is an elastic behind, which is really nice, so it can fit you. So this is in the size small. So, and it has a really pretty hand, so you can just fold it if you don't like this elastic to be seen, and you can do it like this as well. See, it looks so pretty. Yeah, so I really like the concept of this elastic and elastic behind, because it really fits your body and it looks really nice, and the floral effects give it amazing look. Next top is in color red and size medium. I wanted to try all the size, that's why I got like 3 different sizes. So this is medium, which is very pretty. Moving on to next top, this top is one of my favorite because it has a puff sleeves, which is see-through sleeves, and a cute top. This top is in size small. I love the way it looks, it's amazing, and the color blacks is my favorite. So there is a small problem, you guys, made by me, mistake I mean. What happened is, when I was shooting the first intro and everything, I kept the fan on, and now I think there will be a small sound effect which will be in the background, which will be annoying. But I don't want to shoot the whole thing again because I'm already tired. I hope you guys understand. I'm sorry. This time bear with me. Next time pakka I will make sure that everything is proper. Please understand, okay? And yeah, I hope you guys understand. And it's my first time, no, like, I mean, not first time meaning I have just started, so I hope you guys will understand, because now I'll do more good things. I learn from the mistakes, and yeah, so I hope you guys understand. So please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 your support is really important. So please subscribe from every phone you have at your home.